What might this hole belong to, you're asking yourself right now? Well, today we're going to find out. It is actually a pollinator quite common here in the Appalachian Mountains. This is a black miner bee, which are technically referred to as solitary bees. They're referred to this because they burrow beneath the ground and make their homes here. You might wonder why a bee like this would want to make its home underground, but it's actually quite common for the miner bees because they prefer the solitude beneath the ground. They're similar to the way yellow jackets build their homes underground. However, these bees are by no means harmful to humans. Since these bees are more docile than yellow jackets, they are less prone to sting you when you encounter them. They may appear aggressive as they stand in front of their homes here, but in fact, they are less likely to sting you as they are only serving as a guard to the females that are inside. The sole purpose for these bees is that they actually serve as pollinators, whether it be for flowers, fruit-bearing plants, or gardens. So when you see bees like this, try not to harm them. Let them remain in their natural environment as they are. They are less likely to harm you if you do not come in contact with them. So just enjoy them. Watch them in their natural environment, how they perform their daily activities. And just enjoy nature. Like I said, it is so fun to watch them create these holes, pushing out that dirt and sand, creating those majestic homes beneath the earth. One can't help but wonder what their homes look like. How many paths do they have throughout them? Are any of these paths intertwined, or is it just one tunnel connecting with a single loop? These are questions that we ask ourselves as we look from the outside at these cute yet creative little homes. Each one is unique, yet each one is similar. All the hard work that went into every single hole and every single home for these single little bees and their colony. Just remember their purpose. They're pollinating our plants so that we can have sustainable life.
Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.
I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.